A while ago, inspired by many of the great makers on YouTube, I decided to make a 2x72 belt grinder. As usual, I pretty much made this out of all recycled components. I did buy one component, which is the speed controller. Picked this up on Amazon, and it works well. The motor came from a treadmill I took apart. A lot of the metal came from that same treadmill, and other bits came from scrap I had lying around. The wheels are skateboard wheels, except for the drive wheel that I made out of MDF. For the tracking mechanism, I simply use the hinge and a leveling foot from an old dishwasher or fridge. And instead of crowning the wheel, I just put a couple of layers of electrical tape, and that works surprisingly well. The spring that puts tension on the belt also came from a dishwasher. The next project will be to actually use it to make a knife. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.